Today's walkthrough video is at 9501 Bellechase. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are at 9501 Bellechase Road in Granbury. This house is in Pecan Plantation. Love it. You walk into this beautiful foyer. This house is 2,111 square feet. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's got a 2.5-car garage. Let me show it to you. So we've got the tile, open floor plan, beautiful hardwoods, fireplace. My stuff is over there because we're doing an open house today. This is the master, and it's got a sitting area, a nice size sitting area. Here's a closet, and then we've got this ensuite with his and her sinks, bathtub, separate shower, potty, closet number 2. And we've got this formal dining area with French doors. Passes through to the kitchen. The kitchen's been updated. It's got gorgeous granite. The cabinets have been painted. New appliances. Looks awesome in here. Then we've got bedroom number 2 with a large closet, full bath, and bedroom number 3. This home has a 2-car garage plus a golf car, and then let me show you this fantastic lot. Great size property. Goes all the way back there. If you would like more information about this listing, please reach out to me and I'd love to give you a personal tour. Thanks for watching.